Hi everyone, I'm Bevy and welcome to Bevy Scents. Today we're going to be looking at 5 amber fragrances for fall and winter. All blind buys. Let's see if we have any surprises, push ourselves out of our comfort zone, find anything worth keeping in our collection, and one unboxing. First up, Cašmir by CHOPARD. This little beauty right here. Gorgeous bottle, by the way. My trusty feather. Delicious. Warm, soft, ambery, apricot, toasted coconut that reads like chocolate. I'm getting a delicious dessert. I love this stuff. I would wear it daytime, evening, date night, you name it. I could never be without this. It's so delicious. It's so good. This one's good. Next up, PRADA Amber. There she is. This one now. A bit of a surprise. Oh yeah. This one's fresh. A little bit green. Usually I don't go for green fragrances or aquatic. But on the top, this is green, like cut grass. Freshness to it, almost an aquatic note in there. This one dies down a little bit and gets powdery, and then the amber starts coming through. Now it's getting cozy. Warm. Ambery. This is a daytime scent for me. This is not giving me nighttime vibes or date night. No, I'd wear this in the daytime. Fresh, clean, soft, powdery amber. Oh yeah, this one's great for the office, everyday wear. This one, surprisingly fresh on the opening, but definitely wearable, daytime. I like it. Next up is Serpentine by ROBERTO CAVALLI. This little beauty right here has a snake etched into the bottle. I don't know if you can see that. I was intrigued by the frangipani and tiare flower notes in here. This one, ooh, I had a hard time with this one. I must have tried it out 3 times. Every time I got something different. There's so much in here, and yet I can't really distinguish any one single note. It's flowery, it's ambery, It's warm, but it's synthetic. There's something in there that's very chemically off the top. Hidden in there is this floral note trying to come through. This one you have to try on skin. It's not a safe blind buy. On me, just a little bit, because I got overpowered by the scent itself, but it smells amazing on close. I would spray this in my ponytail, spray this on clothing. It smells great on clothing. On me, gotta pull back, wait for it to die down, then it's wearable. I'm still gonna have to keep playing with it, see how best to wear it, if it's really gonna work for me. I love Roberto Cavalli. I'm looking forward to Paradiso and Gemma, I think it is. But this one, I don't know. We'll see. I like the way it smells though on clothes, and I'm sure that on some of you it's gonna smell amazing. It's just on me. Or we're gonna have to keep testing this one. Next up is Narciso Rodriguez For Her L'Absolu. A long name, I know. Narciso Rodriguez For Her L'Absolu. Now, this bad girl right here is the surprise, don't you know? This only has jasmine and tuberose on the top notes. The mid is a musk, and then it dries down to an amber, sandalwood, vanilla combo. Oh my God. I could smell this out of the box right after I took the cellophane off. It was just dying to get out of the bottle. Oh, this thing is almost narcotic. It is so sexy. If you have Velvet Orchid by Tom Ford, you are going to love this. Same vibe, but different scent. This one is mysterious, alluring, because there's a note in there you just cannot quite figure out. This one's good. It's really good. This is date night worthy. This is evening. But you know me, it's the afternoon. I'm gonna be rocking it. I don't care. Oh my God. Delicious. This was an amazing blind buy. This one right here is my first HERMÈS. Oh my goodness. That's an extra piece there. This has notes of vanilla and amber, labdanum and patchouli. Ooh, on the back of the bottle there's stars. It's flat. This is it. L'Ombre de Merveilles by Hermès. That's like Amber of Wonders, something like that. Now I did try this in the store because it was between this and the elixir. This one won out. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, this one's refined. It's elegant. It's so smooth, ambery, soft. Oh, polished. There's not a jarring note in there. It's so smooth. Oh, she is dressed, polished. This is when you've got your ish together, okay? You're manicured, you're dressed to go out. Doesn't have to be dressed up, could be casual elegance, but you're dressed. No, this girl right here she's got her stuff together. She's polished, she's elegant, she's going places, okay? She has a reservation. Oh, and everything about her is on point. This is signature. Yeah, this is signature worthy. Daytime, business, afternoon, lunch, date. Oh yeah, this one's a keeper. I'm going to enjoy wearing this. That's my list for today. I'll leave any links and all the names in the description bar below. Please subscribe, turn on your notifications so we can do more of this. If you have any suggestions for amazing amber fragrances that I need to get my nose on, please leave a comment and let's share. And if you want to support me, you can always buy me a coffee. Bye.